Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About cosine x to the power of 9, we can put about cosine x to the power of 8 multiplied by cosine x. Next, about cosine x to the power of 8, we can put about cosine x to the power of 2, everything to the power of 4. Next, we can use about this one. We have sine x squared plus cosine x squared equals to number 1. So we put sine x squared go to the right, and you got about cosine x squared equals to 1 minus sine x squared. So we put this one go in here. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to sine x. So if we do first the derivative for the both sides, you got about du equal to cosine x dx. So this one we change for u squared. Cosine x dx we change for du. And now we need to expand this one. After we expand this way, we can get the final answer. U to the power of 8, you got about u to the power of 9 over 9. The next one is about u to the power of 7 over 7. U to the power of 5 over 5. U to the power of 3 over 3. And the last one, that's about u. And we put about c. About u, that's about sine x. And this is the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.